It seems like we're becoming AI. Or is AI becoming us? I'm not sure. But either way, it's here. So let's talk about ChatGPT. Hey, what is good? How y'all doing? I'm alright, man. Look, I woke up this morning and can't be doing no better than that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people woke up not woke. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, besides that, man, look, I am V, Clavage Designs, and I'm your host for today. And today we're gonna talk about AI. We're gonna talk about ChatGPT, right? So I've been listening, I've been watching. AI is taking over and it's coming by storm. And so I'm trying to get on top of it, right? So I go into ChatGPT and I see what it does, and I couldn't quite figure out how it could help me as a graphic designer, because that's what I wanted to do. I'm a graphic designer. If AI is going to exist, I need it to help me in doing what I do. You know what I mean? So I finally figured it out, and I'm here to share it with y'all. So the first way ChatGPT can help you as a graphic designer is it can give you ideas, right? A lot of times as designers, we become stuck, right? We run out of ideas. Creative juices is gone. Like, I don't know what I should be doing. I need something to do. I should be doing something, but what should I be doing? Here's ChatGPT. So now you type in ChatGPT, what type of logos are the most viewed on YouTube? And it'll give you the logos that are the most viewed on YouTube up until 2021. But it'll give you the most viewed logo designs. And this can help you draw inspiration. Oh, that was a 3D logo. That's pretty cool. I should make a 3D logo. You know what I'm saying? It give you ideas. It jump starts the creative spark. And so that's one of the main ways that ChatGPT can help you as a graphic designer or designer in general, is that you can type in a prompt and it can give you something to go look at or something to read and give you ideas, because we all need ideas. As creatives, that's what we are. We are walking ideas. The next way ChatGPT can help us as graphic designers is by copywriting. And I ain't talking about the copywriting where like you copyright a song so don't nobody steal it. Not that type of copywriting. The copywriting that goes on top of marketing material. This is called copy. They call it copy, and the people who write it are copywriters. So the other day I was looking for some inspirational quotes. And a lot of times I go to Google and they give me the same 10, or I go to Google Images and see quotes, and it don't be too many of them out there. And so this quote I was looking for an Instagram post. This quote, I typed in, give me 5 inspirational quotes. That's what I typed into ChatGPT, right? It gave me 5 inspirational quotes. Then I said, give me 5 inspirational quotes about graphic design. Then it gave me 5 inspirational quotes about graphic design. Then I went even further and said, I want these inspirational quotes to be 5 words or less, because it wasn't fitting into my design. And they broke it down to 5 words or less. So copywriting is a huge help for us graphic designers, for us designers period, as to how we can enhance our viewer retention by words. And these words are beautiful. I mean, they make sense, they stand out, and these words come from a culmination of a lot of different sources. So it's not, I even asked for original quotes. So it's not just like quotes from your favorite poet or your favorite author or your favorite speaker. They can make their own quotes. So you can come up with some nice eye-catching phrases to go into your design and make your design stand out that much more. So that's another way that you can use ChatGPT as a designer. Last but not least, I've been using ChatGPT to try to find topics, right? For my YouTube channel. I've been trying to figure out what I can design that people already like, right? So for my channel, I'm looking at speed art. So I'm like, I asked ChatGPT, like, what speed arts do the best. Obviously, it was logos, some type of Photoshop tutorials. You know what I'm saying? It was telling me what type of speed arts do the best on YouTube up until 2021, because that's when it stopped recording. But it was telling me which ones were doing the best up until that point, which gives me an idea of what type of tutorials and speed arts I should be doing. And it helps me out as a content creator. It helps me out as a designer, because now I can actually connect with people as opposed to doing a design that nobody cares about or nobody sees. You know what I'm saying? So it helps in that sense of coming up with topics, coming up with things that you could possibly be doing to gain more viewership or gain more likes and followers and all that to come with being a graphic designer. Speaking of which, hit the likes, hit the subscribes. That's the topic for today. ChatGPT, how it can help you as a graphic designer. And I'm gonna tell you again, hit the likes, hit the subscribe, follow me on TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And when you get there, like and follow me there too. That's it, y'all. I am V, Claymation Design. See y'all next time. Peace.